Hi boss! Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng sarili mong online business this year o sa mga sumusunod na taon? Pero, hindi mo alam kung paano at kung saan ka magsisimula? Well, stay tuned boss kasi sasabihin ko sa iyo kung paano ako nag-start sa online business na to. Rose Gumera ulit of YouTube Marketing Philippines. So today sa video na to, i-share ko po sa inyo yung experience ko, yung secret ko kung paano ako nagsimula sa online business na to. Okay? I know na magkaroon ng sariling online business isa sa mga way na very exciting in a way na yung passion mo is pwede mong pagkakitaan. Okay? Starting an online business, boss, isa sa mga malaking decision na nagawa ko sa buhay ko at hindi ko yung pinagsisihan na nagsimula ako while working full-time. So, paano nga ba ako nag-start sa online business na to even though na hindi ako businesswoman, hindi ako galing sa pamilya na mayroong business background. So, first thing first is kailangan muna natin ng puhunan, of course, capital, and then second is, of course, you have to invest in yourself, you have to invest knowledge in yourself para magkaroon ka ng confident na maganda yung online business mo. Kilala ko po ang Digital Startup Toolkit by Doc Lloyd Labso. So, but that time, wala pa akong pera, wala akong pang-enroll sa Digital Startup Toolkit and then the Self-Made Millionaire Masterclass. So, ang ginawa ko is nag-ipon muna ako ng money, of course, galing sa sahod ko. And then, after 1.5 year, nakaipon ako ng sapat na pang-enroll. So, lately, December 2018, bago siya nagtapos, I was able to enroll in the course. So, ganun siya nangyari guys. Hindi ako basta-basta nag-enroll. And, chinecheck ko po talaga na legit yung sasalihan ko na course. Kasi I was already scam online several times na. So, parang nagkaroon na ako ng fears na baka ma-scam na naman ako. And, it is a big amount na. Hindi na siya yung hindi na siya 1,000 lang, 500. So, it really took me time talaga. And, that time, meron din akong fears. Paano kung hindi ako mag-succeed dito? Paano kung mag-fail ulit ako? Paano kung wala akong makuha mga customers? Paano wala akong naingganan ng mga sasali sa business ko? Okay? But then, when I enrolled na po sa Self-Made Millionaire Masterclass ni Doc Lloyd, sa week 1 pa lang, marami na akong aha moment. Okay? So, yung mga lahat ng paano ko, yung mga biggest fears and struggles ko, bago ako nag-enroll guys, is parang, oh wow, nawala siya. Okay, though, siya, may little doubt pa din sa sarili ko. But then as ongoing yung Self-Made Millionaire Masterclass ni Doc Lloyd from week 1 to week 8, okay, unti-unting na-develop yung pagiging self-confidence, yung, nagkaroon ako ng goals sa life, bagong goals, nagsiset ako ng goals. So, dahil sa Self-Made Millionaire Masterclass ni Doc Lloyd, I was able to make my own group. Nakabuo ako ng sarili kong tribe. So, by the way, my course is about YouTube marketing. So, I teach mga business owners, mga marketers, mga entrepreneurs, kung paano magkaroon ng business sa YouTube. Okay, we already know that YouTube is the second biggest search engine. Pangalawa siya sa Google. So, by my course, I encourage them to have a business in YouTube, okay? So, hindi ko to magagawa, guys. Hindi mabubuo ang YouTube Marketing Masterclass ko kung wala akong background or kung hindi ako nag-enroll sa Masterclass ni Doc Lloyd Labso. So, doon talaga nagsimula from scratch. So, unti-unti nagkaroon ako ng ideas kung ano yung maituturo ko. Unti-unti ako nagkaroon ng outline sa course, kung ano yung gusto ng mga students ko. Tapos natuto din ako kung paano ako mag-target ng mga right audience, ng tao na magtitiwala sa'yo, kung paano mag-build ng trust, paano magkaroon ng relationship between you and your mga students. So, laking tulong po talaga siya, guys. Because in that way, nabuo din yung self-confidence ko. Hindi din ako ganun ka-tsukati, hindi ako ganito before. So, mahiyain lang talaga ako, guys. So, hindi ako masyadong, na alam mo yun, socialize, ganon. So, but ever since na ginawa ko yung masterclass ko, nag-attend ako ng mga tutorial ni Doc, mga webinar, lalo na po yung Self-Made Millionaire Masterclass, I see a big transformation sa sarili ko, okay? Sa pagiging from from an employee mindset, okay? Nagiging na ako, business-minded mindset. Before kasi guys, akala ko pag nakatapos na ako ng college, tapos nakakuha ako ng magandang work is enough na yon para makaabot ko yung mga pangarap ko sa buhay, matulungan ang pamilya ko, magkaroon ng maayos na buhay, mapayos ang bahay namin, mapagamot yung papa ko, matulungan sa pag-aaral yung mga kapatid ko. But then guys, after a long years, 2 years almost working as an employee, hindi ko pa din naabot ang mga yun. So, I decided and I see myself 1 to 2 years from now na meron talaga akong future dito sa Self-Made Millionaire na ginawa ni Doc. So, dahil doon, nagkaroon ulit ako ng confident ko sa sarili ko na kung ano man yung pangarap ko sa buhay is walang imposible. Okay? As long as na you will take an action, you will invest in yourself, okay, and you are willing to serve and help others to make their dreams as well. So, ganun po yung natutunan ko guys, which is hindi ko siya alam before, na hindi ko din siya na-realize before. So, those struggles were, nawala siya, those struggles, yung mga negative na struggles ko before is nagiging, it turned into positive mindset na sa ngayon. So, whatever comes my way, so I always think na I have a dream, I have a goal, so I keep going on discover guys. So, ayun po yung natutunan ko sa Self-Made Masterclass, hindi lang sa technicalities, hindi lang sa paggawa ng sariling website, sa mga iba pang mga kailangan na gawin pa mabuo yung course. So, it also helped me to develop of a person of who I am today. So now, since we just already finished our 8-week live webinar, so as of now, wala pa akong mapakita na results, yung 6-digit, but hopefully someday I will give you an update. I will create another video about my my journey after the 8-week live webinar nito. Kung tatanungin mo ako kung worth it ba yung investment ko sa DSUT at saka sa Self-Made Millionaire ni Doc Lloyd, all I can say is yes. It's very, very, very worth it. So, yun ang the best investment na nagawa ko sa sarili ko guys. Okay, because marami akong natutunan. And we all know that knowledge is power. Okay? Makuha man nila yung mga material na bagay sa iyo, pero yung knowledge mo dito, yung nalalaman mo, no one can take it away from you. Okay? So, yun talaga yung pinaka-best asset sa sarili ko at sa inyo kung mag-enroll kayo sa Self-Made Millionaire Masterclass ni Doc. Okay guys, don't think about the price, kung magkano yung course na yun. Okay, just think yung mga makukuha mo when availing that course. Yung mga knowledge mo, yung inputs, yung transformation mo. Okay? So, it really can help you kung saan ka mapunta guys. And if you are interested to learn more about Digital Startup Toolkit on the Self-Made Millionaire Masterclass ni Doc, just check the description below. I put my affiliate links sa description guys. So if you click that link and then if you will purchase any products from Doc Lloyd using my affiliate link, I will receive a little commission. So which also a big help for me to make videos like this and sa pagpapatuloy din ng online business ko. So, and by the way guys, I also inviting you to join my free FB group of YouTube Marketing Masterclass if you want, okay? Kung gusto mo matutunan yung YouTube, kung paano mo siya gamitin para sa business mo, kung paano ka makakuha ng mga leads gamit ang YouTube, okay? And I hope to see you there guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe so that you can receive an update every time na mag-upload ako ng videos ko. And don't forget to share, like, and comment this video, guys. If you have feedback, if you have something to suggest, or if you have comments, okay? Just leave the comments below and I will answer it to you. And by the way, guys, don't forget to download or have a copy of my YouTube lead generation checklist, because more leads, higher profit.